Have you ever felt a strange chill, a sense that someone is watching you? What if I told you that feeling might be real? Not from a shadowy figure in the alley, but from the device you hold in your hand every single day. The phone you use to call your family. The computer where you store your most private thoughts. Someone could be looking through your screen, reading your messages and listening to your conversations right now. They could know where you are, who you're with, what you're planning. This isn't science fiction, this is the reality of spyware. The truth can be unsettling. We live our lives through these glowing rectangles, trusting them with everything. Our bank details, our private photos, our late-night conversations. We assume those moments are ours and ours alone, but for a growing number of people, that trust has been shattered. A hidden actor, a digital ghost, has slipped inside their devices. This intruder isn't just stealing data, they are stealing pieces of your life, one tap and one click at a time. The feeling of violation is profound, leaving victims feeling exposed and powerless in their own homes. So what is this invisible threat we call spyware? Simply put, it's a type of malicious software designed to hide on your device and secretly monitor everything you do. Think of it as a digital bug, a one-way mirror planted in your phone or computer. Unlike other viruses that might crash your system or display annoying ads, spyware's goal is silence. It wants to remain completely undetected while it gathers your most sensitive information. Its very purpose is to betray your trust in your technology, turning your closest companion into an informant. The danger of spyware goes far beyond simple data theft. It's a profound invasion of privacy that can have devastating consequences, especially in personal relationships. We've investigated cases where a jealous spouse uses spyware to track their partner's every move. They read their text messages, they listen to their phone calls, they even activate the phone's microphone to hear conversations in the room. This isn't just about a lack of trust, it's about power and control. It's a form of digital stalking that can escalate into real-world harassment and abuse, leaving the victim feeling trapped and terrified. This technology, often marketed as a loyalty test or a tool for keeping your family safe, is easily accessible. How do these digital intruders manage to get inside your most personal devices? You might think you're safe, that you would never fall for a trick. But hackers have a whole toolkit of sophisticated and deceptive techniques designed to bypass your defenses. One of the most common methods is called phishing. You receive an email or a text message that looks legitimate. It might appear to be from your bank, it might appear to be from a delivery service, it might appear to be from a friend. It urges you to click a link to update your information or track a package, but that link is a trap. Once you click it, one of two things usually happens. The link might take you to a fake website that looks identical to the real one, tricking you into entering your username and password. Now the hacker has your credentials. Or even worse, the link could initiate a drive-by download. Without any further action from you, malicious software, including spyware, begins installing itself silently in the background of your device. You might not notice anything is wrong until it's far too late. It's a simple trick, but it's incredibly effective because it preys on our trust and our tendency to act quickly. Another insidious method involves malicious apps. These apps often disguise themselves as something useful or fun. A game, a photo editor, a utility to clean your phone. But perhaps the most frightening tool in the hacker's arsenal is the zero-click exploit. This is the stuff of spy movies, made real. As the name suggests, it requires zero interaction from you. No clicks, no downloads, no mistakes. So the spyware is on your device. What happens next? How does it actually watch your every move? The process is methodical and chillingly comprehensive. Once installed, the spyware operates like a silent secretary, logging your activity. The first thing it does is establish a hidden connection to a remote server controlled by the hacker. Diagram: phone with arrows labeled calls, texts, GPS, photos. This server becomes the command post where your stolen information is sent and stored. The spyware uses minimal data to avoid suspicion. Let's break it down step by step. First, it targets your communications. Every text message you send and receive, every email, every conversation on social media, Facebook Messenger, Instagram messages, the spyware captures them all. It records the content, it records the timestamp, it records contact information, it can log calls, it can record audio of your conversation so the spy can listen later. Imagine a private chat being recorded. Imagine a heartfelt confession being recorded. Imagine a business deal being recorded. It's a complete violation of your correspondence. Next, it turns your device's hardware against you. It can secretly activate the microphone to record ambient sounds. Your phone becomes a listening device in meetings or at home. Hearing about these invasions can make you feel helpless, but I'm here to tell you that you are not. You have the power to protect yourself. Knowledge is your first and best line of defense. The first step is to be vigilant and treat your devices like the personal vaults they are. Be deeply suspicious of unsolicited messages with links or attachments, even if they seem to be from someone you know. A simple rule to live by: when in doubt, throw it out. Delete the message. Do not click the link. It's better to be safe than sorry. Next, you need to lock down your devices. Always use a strong, unique password. Biometric security, fingerprint biometric security, facial recognition on your phone, on your computer. Enable two-factor authentication on all of your important accounts, especially email banking. This means that even if a hacker steals your password, they still can't get in without a second code, which is usually sent to your phone. Also, be very careful about the apps you install. Stick to official app stores, Apple App Store, Google Play Store. Always review the permissions and app requests before you install it. For the fast and best hacking and protection, visit the link in the description to our top security expert. Plus, like, share, and subscribe for more privacy tips.